And after several attempts of building my own rig for my DIY Modbus, I settled on this. This is a quite simple thing. There are 3 parts to it. There's a 3-way, a 2-way and a 4-way. All very simple and straightforward. This allows me to bolt them all together and expand it as I please. I obviously got quite a few of these, so I printed quite a bit. And let me move this out of the way. Obviously I got these little suckers which will mount on the din rail, and thanks to this contraption I got a little lip, so once this is deployed somewhere I can literally pick and slide this on, he says, with relative ease. He says, oh, this one required some extra strength, but I think you get the idea now. So this should just slide on. There you go. This one's much easier to do so. And the third one. Okay, and now you can attach whatever stuff you need onto your DIY Modbus experiment. In my case, that would be the case anyway. So yeah, that's it. I'll be showing you later on what I managed to put together, but I thought I'll just demonstrate what this actually is and how it works in a nutshell. So yeah, thanks for watching.